has to do a pocket dump. So here we go. On my person, keys tied off. On the other side, see that there? There's a Swiss Army, Swiss Champ tool on the belt, tied off. In that pocket there, on that lanyard, there happens to be a Farmer, but that'll change. And there's another quick pocket move. I say that'll change depending on what I'm doing. Bought a Farmer out because I'm away. That's what they will always be on my person. Swiss Champ, some sort of pocket knife, keys. If I'm going out and about, my wallet, and my phone. Just 1 second. The wallet, stamps. That's like the old black and white version of a text for those people who don't know. A basic bank card, the overdraft, bit of money you can buy things with. I just want to remove that, so just 1 second. Right, took that out. There's 2 Fresnel lenses behind there because my eyesight's gone. There is a, difficult to do one-handed. It's one of those little credit card multi-tools in there. One of those things. Is anything else in these things? Sewing kit. Right, Fresnel lens sewing kit. Credit card tool. Some little plasters in the back. I never carry much money with me. Guess I've got to give this to somebody. So very little bit of money in this little pouch in here. I keep a bantam. Just happens to be the Alcock's bantam. What a beautiful piece of engineering that is. Nice and thin. It's got your blade and one of those multi-tool things. Bantam, beautiful little tool. And little ferrocene rod. And a couple of safety pins. So, where'd that one go? So not a lot in my wallet, like I say. There's nothing in there I wouldn't mind losing. I'd be more pissed off about losing that than anything. But, you know, if you've got to give it to somebody, if I can let them have it and then lamp them one. That's the wallet. I have a phone. There'll be some loose change. There'll always be a lighter and a smoker. And there'll always be quite a large heavy snot rag or bandana. That's on my trousers pockets. On my jacket, tissues, medications, medication painkillers, polymath products, med thing, they're quite good. Lip balm, another lighter, and some quick grab tissue and a rubber band. I'll carry this little mant in here with a space blanket on the back. I'll go into that now. Let me shift this stuff. I'll put that down for 1 second. Right. That was underneath like that. Space blanket. A couple of hair bobbles. That's the plasts. Alcohol wipe. Another alcohol wipe. Whistle. It's got a couple of needles in the back there with large eyes. That's not what it looks like. George Harrison would like that. No, that's it's a fire tinder block. I promise you it's not what it looks like. It's a fire tinder block. Little torch. fishing kit, bit of cotton wool, some quite good like line or heavy thread, safety pins, bit of stiffer wire. Like I say, the fishing kit and that, you know, for around town, there's other things you can do with a bit of fishing kit, isn't there? Hooks, weights, you know, you never know. Well, have it than not have it. With the hooks you could nick some kit together. Some wire, bendy wire. Candle, people going about candles in a smaller tin, and you know, birthday candles, brilliant, bang on, agree. People cut these down to square. Candle, it could be from a light, right? So it's not just for the fire starting, that could be for a light. What's that there? Scalpel blade. Just alcohol wipes. Alcohol wipes. Cut the little zip ties. Bit of inner tube or Ranger band. Unopened mag block. Magnesium block with ferrocerium spray on it. Another one of those credit card tools. A little housewife kit. Admittedly not much, but there's a little bit of gaffer tape in there, not much at all. And a half decent bit of tin foil. That's what I carry in my coat, jacket pocket. That's my pocket dump.